Hello guys, sorry it's been so long since our last upload. Many things have been happening in the last week, such as Jack moving, Ruben starting a new job, and me going back to uni. Very sadly we haven't had a chance to play any Airsoft. Don't worry though, we found this video from Driverwood in the summer that we thought you guys would like. It's a very basic game of TDM. You have Jack running his sniper in this game, and I've decided to borrow Jack's gun to see if it is as good as he says. Which instantly it wasn't because it's tan, you know, but hey ho. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you do.
Just downstairs.
Whoa, nice hit! Alright, I'm just going to duck under. Hit! Ooh, where's that from? By the boat! One down. Boys, on your left, the boat! Yeah, watch. Killed by the boat straight ahead of it.
Down, guys. Our new objective is apparently the bridge down the bottom.
Well, you got to take it.
I think so, yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Down there. Behind the black barrels, yeah. Yeah, black barrels. We won't have our angle on them. Nice shot! Yeah, in the neck. Hit! Oh shit, where did that go? Dead. Oh fuck me, someone literally there. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, left. Hit! Got him, got him, got him, got him. Yeah. How's the bus looking? Oh.
I need to go back. That on the left is in a good position. Yeah, come on, good. Alright.
Yeah, cross. 49, 50, 60, yeah, nice. Right, where's that prick gone? I think you're in here somewhere, son. Someone in here, watch out. Yeah. Go on, Hannah. Yeah. Hit, hit, hit.
There's nowhere to go.
Right. How are you? Is this man? He's in there, but I've just shot about 50 times. Yeah, hit mate, hit, 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 hit.
But now they're just going to sit in that woods and watch it. Will, they're just going to sit in that woods there.
Is that going enemy there?
Where?
In the Supreme car?
I don't know. Who's in the Supreme? Will, is it green in Supreme?
This is our respawn, mate. Yeah. Pardon? Cool. Give him space, give him... No, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool.
I call this Overwatch of our respawn.
Call it resting my legs.
Oh shit, I need to sneeze.
Oh, okay. We're over here, everyone. Cheers, Jack. Be shit as a commando, wouldn't you?
They don't get hay fever, innit? Ooh. I forgot what it's like to be shot without a rig on. Yeah, a little bit. Starting to feel it again.
Ooh, someone is trying to find me. Oh, he's right there. Ah, hell, Ruben! Ah! Oh, now I've been actually hit. Thanks, Ruben. Ah!
Right in the hip though, man.
Where's Ruben at? It's a good little trench there. Ooh. Time to get the fuck down.
Is that the fucking juggernaut? Can't see him.
Oh, get there. Wait. He's thick. Yeah, he's seen us.
But annoyingly, before we had a chance to get this guy, the game unfortunately came to an end. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little throwback to the summer. I do promise some more recent gameplays on the way, and if you're wanting to see that, you're going to have to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to see more of us, our Instagram is DrenchBoysAirsoft. If not, we shall definitely see you guys in the next video.